One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Yep. Well, let's talk about the wait time.
Okay, this is as big a bullshit, Chris, as your VIP video. Okay, so there's a new thing happening now. In some cities, it looks like a pilot. I haven't seen it yet. So look at the trip. Okay, look at the ping screen, Chris. Between the pickup and the drop off, do you see that little line? Average wait time at pickup is 1 minute.
Yes.
So how the fuck does Uber know that it's going to be a minute?
Because they probably have enough data from the passenger that when they order the ride, that they are on time there.
Bullshit, I call it to that. Because every single one I've received so far, they all say it's about 1 minute.
Huh?
Look at the one on the right.
Yeah.
I got to take a piss. I got stuck. It's not a minute. Listen, all this is doing is cluttering the fucking ping screen. You know what I'm saying?
Or the other
for anyone.
Okay, so here's the thing. It could be an average wait time pickup at that particular pickup. Maybe that is the average that the pickup is for all the passengers that are coming to be picked up and drivers that are coming to pick passengers up. Because if you notice, they are the first one's a metro station, and then the other one is at a resort and spa. So I'm making it seem to me that this is going to be more of a business place that is going to necessarily show this. If this was an actual house pickup and it was showing the average wait time to pick up, I'd be interested to see that. But I think this is going to be more businesses and places like that where the pickup. So this is probably something more in Vegas. And the problem is, yes, if it's the average wait time for the location, then it means absolutely jack shit when it comes to the actual rider who is coming there.
There it
happens. It's always 1 minute, even DC market, even during large events where we all know that's bullshit.
So
then it's bullshit.
Good try, Uber. Good try. Okay, how many of you are going to look at that and accept trips, or are you still going to look at the miles per minute? You know, all that shit, all that usual important metric. I mean, I do appreciate the try. I really do.
You know what? I think this is. I think this is the attempt to say like, oh, it's the place pickup, but this should be based on passenger. So what's the average time for the passenger? Put that in there. Because then that way we have a better opportunity to see, is this person going to make me cancel, or am I going to have to wait the full 10 minutes on comfort ride? Or am I happy to know that they are usually on time and ready to go right when I get there?
Yeah,
that's what I would rather see. Because again, like I said, this looks like it's actually location based versus the actual rider that would be picking up. Because again, as you see, you said, you're right. This is absolute bullshit, and it's absolutely meaningless, and it's just wasting time, wasting space on the screen.
It is. Look how cluttered the fucking ping screen is now.
Yeah, and that's, I don't care about the average wait time for the location. I'd rather care about the average wait time for the passenger.
Yeah, I agree.
It's not that hard to put in there. That's real data. This is
not a good idea.
Uber,
not a good idea. Seriously, I mean, some things we like, some things we don't like. This doesn't add anything for me to change my mind to pick up because I'm going to wait less. It just doesn't mean shit to me. So, but again, maybe to some of you, it makes a difference. And when you see 1 minute pickup, then you may just go do it. But these are decline and recline. Both
for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
But oh my God, that's just insane.
Well, it's better than my 280.
That is true.
Come on,
but that's VIP. I mean, come on, it's VIP.
VIP.
So what do you guys think about that? What do you think about the average wait time pickup?
Nothing.
1 minute, my ass. That the problem is It very well could be one-time pickups for many of the things, because most of the people are going to pick it up or they're going to order and be right there at the time.
Mhm.
But the problem is, it has no bearing on what that passenger does. I want to know
Right.
the average wait time for the passenger. It's not that hard to just pass that information. So, oh, average wait time 6 minutes. Okay, now I know that. 2 minutes. Okay, now I know that. Usually or 0 minutes. Okay, great. When I pull up, you're right there waiting.
You
Cool.
know the little silhouette, right? I mean, they know where you are and what you're doing, if you're in the toilet and all that shit. So, like, they could probably say, "This guy's taking a shit. He's going to be delayed. So let's just take your time going there." Look,
Yep.
man, I just Uber. This is just nonsense. Just cluttering the screen. just get rid of it.
Yeah, that's ugh.
Yeah.
But again, put in the chat what you think about that particular thing with the average wait time. And have you seen anything beyond average wait time of 1 minute?
Yeah. Same. Yeah. Okay. That's a good point. Good point. Okay. Send me those. It says average pickup time 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, because all of them I got is 1 minute.
Average pickup time 18 minutes.
That's,
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.